E te iwi, Miriama, big announcement coming up. Koe nei te wā hei tuku mai mā koutou I ngā ingoa mō ngā tohu Toa Whakaihuwaka o tēnei tau.
Yeah, that's right. Nominations are now open for the Marae Māori of the year 2013. So, who will take over the mantle achieved by these outstanding Māori?
Well, the supreme winner for 2011 is Piri Weepu.
I'm very humbled to be receiving.
And the winner of the Toa Whakaihuwaka Māori of the year 2012, Dr. Lance O'Sullivan.
This is really humbling. It's serious. It is. You know, we do what we do, and the many people that have been nominated in this year and last year's Māori of the Year awards do it because of our passion for our people.
That was good fun last year, eh? So if you've got someone in mind that you believe has been an outstanding Māori achiever for 2013, please tell us about that person. Can't be you, Scotty.
Can't be you either. Now, nomination forms are on our webpage, tvnz.co.nz/Marae-investigates. We have 6 categories in total. The winner of each category will be eligible for the Supreme Award Te Toa Whakaihuwaka Māori of the Year 2013.